fly cut groups was added in a previous version, but to complete it we had to add a few new things. So in version 23, when a user makes a selection of a fly cut group, we'll automatically put it in the correct profile type category so that the user doesn't have to make that distinction. Another thing of note here in 23 is that we've added the support for that second grid you see there with the rectangles and the triangles. This allows us to complete this part, which is a pretty big show piece. It's the type of thing that we have some of our other customers asking to see. I'll just speed up through the simulation here and you can see this is completed. Now, every part can be saved with fly cut groups on it, but that doesn't mean that the fly cut groups will apply when you hit Auto NC, so these can be saved and then switched between any of your machines that you may need to cut it on.